and
Sean.
I'll show you what we hooked up. It's Henry. We actually hooked up the system sensor. Actually, it's pretty loud. We had to put some tape on the speaker. That's the other one. We took down one of the other ones that was there. It's hooked up to the Firelight B212. Kind of looks like Silent Night one. Yeah. That is my little brother. And we're going to actually. When I'm not used to alarms, I usually just flip the switch in the pull station. So, Daddy, close the door. Sorry, guys. Dad.
Hey, everybody. Come on,
Dad,
Danny.
you always have to interrupt my videos. Sorry, guys. So, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God, Henry, that is so loud. Danny, it's so loud.
Danny, you want to go flip the switch? Yeah. Okay. Go flip the switch, Danny. Danny, go flip the fire alarm switch. Watch. Do it. No. Yeah, do it. No. Yeah.
It's too loud.
Danny, do it, Danny. It's okay.
I'm sorry, it's too loud for him.
That one right there is not basically hooking up. I don't know why. Actually, I'm going to test this too. So it's going to be pretty loud too. And that green light blinks. So bye. With Henry is sponsored by New York Fire and Security. Thank you, Sean and John. Bye.